everyone, welcome to the video and thank you guys so much for watching. So today we're doing full box spoilers for the Ultimate, the Plus, and the regular glam bag. I'm saying this little intro in all of my videos just in case you haven't seen the other ones, or if there is a specific box or bag that you want to see. You guys know that there is a video showing every single product that will be coming in a box or bag. Just the choices. You won't necessarily get all of these obviously because there's like 20 or so, but they are an item that could possibly come in your box or bag. So if you guys love spoiler videos and all that type of jazz, then give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to tell you guys the products that are coming in here. If I feel a need to say anything that I need to say, like an opinion or a thought or a product that I've tried before, I am going to say it. And if I don't have anything to say, then I'm just going to name it off and show the image so you guys can see what it is that I'm saying and talking about. And we're just going to move on and try and make this video as short as possible because I do like to keep these videos around 10 minutes. So we're going to try and keep it short, simple, and sweet. So let's go ahead and get started with the plus items. So the very first item coming in the plus is the Coffee Scrub Coconut Body Scrub in Coconut. Now I saw that this is also coming in the $12 bag, which is kind of weird that they're putting a $12 bag item that could go in there also in the $25 box. But if you guys love a scrub, then you guys will enjoy. And then we have the Hims Herbal Body Moisturizer in Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. This is also coming in the Ultimate box and the $12 bag. I don't know if there's going to be a size difference, but this is going to be an option for each of the bags and box. So hopefully it's not the same size, or that would feel a little like weird that we're getting like the same size item in like the higher tiers and lower tiers. You guys know what I mean. And then the next one is the R Plus Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. So if you guys like hair stuff, you guys will like this. R & Co I see in subscription boxes all of the time, so it must be good, right? I don't know. And then the next one is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I actually have this. I decluttered it a long time ago and then it didn't sell on my Poshmark, and then I decided to keep it, and I'm kind of glad that I did because I really like it for whenever I decide to bake on my face. So I actually really do like the powder. The next item is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. I swear I got this in a past box. Like, you guys said that we did receive this in a past box, but I thought I personally did receive it, but I can't find it anywhere. And I would really love to give it a try because I've heard it's so good, and I do like the moisturizer, the Confidence in a Moisturizer. It's so good. I've used it several times, so I would love the cleanser. And then the other cleanser that's coming in the box is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I have gotten this in the past. I'm almost out of it. I bought another one for a $12 add-on that I'm about to have to bust out, and this is a really great exfoliating cleanser. So if you get this, you will not be sorry. You will be very excited. And then this is from the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Powder. So it looks to be some blushes. So a peachy pink, a peachy brown, a deep rose, yeah, matte blushes. So that's what that is. And is there a bronzer in here? I don't know. But anyways, this is something that I think you guys would really like, to have options for blushes. I love the balm. I feel like they were very popular years ago, and I guess people aren't really buying them as much. I feel like no one's talking about them, but you're always seeing them in subscription boxes. So I do like that they're coming in subscription boxes because they are a really great brand, and more people need to like get on the ball. They're a great brand. So then there's also from the Balm Cosmetics an Auto Balm Pick Perf eyeshadow palette. I really like this one. It's very pretty. I like the tones that are in here. I think you'll be very happy if you receive this one. And then you have another palette from the Balm Cosmetics, the Auto Balm Day to Night. I don't really gravitate towards this one as much, but this one's very pretty if you want to have like a darker smoked out eye. So this one will be very, very cool to have in your box if you're into that. And then we have from Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. This is a brand that I have never heard of, and I've been really leery these days of brands that I've never heard of, considering the whole 24 karat moisturizer drama with the fact that she owns like several companies that are coming in the subscription boxes, like Dirty Little Secrets, Steve Laurent. There's several, and it's like they're basically really cheap products that are being shipped over from China. So I don't know, I'm very leery about brands that I don't know who they're coming from, so I've been trying to do my research lately on like the brands that are coming in here. But anyways, we're just gonna move on. Next is from Maylin and Goats. I think that's how you say it. This is a revitalizing eye gel. I've heard that this is a really nice brand. I personally didn't know it was because it's like the same exact bottle as that. What is that? Evolve Super Oil, whatever. But I've heard that this is actually really good. So if you guys need a really good eye gel, I think you'll be excited about that. Then we have from Serafine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. Since there's a few eyeliners, I feel like everyone will probably get an eyeliner, which is okay. And then this is from Mayo Beauty, the Skin Therapy Restorative Facial Oil. Again, this is a MLM company. I do not think this should be in the box whatsoever. I just have a strong hate towards MLMs, and this is also an item that could be coming in the Ultimate box. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And then we have a Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. This is like a brand, I guess Ipsy owns or something like that, but I do like the aesthetic of the brush. I think the brush is really pretty, and I have a brush that is the same brush just about, and it's really good. So I think if you guys got the brush, you would really like it. And then we have some brow kits from Billion Dollar Brows. Let me tell you, I don't like this brand. I've never liked anything from them, and then I tried their bestseller kit about a month and a half ago, and it was awful. So they have one 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows kit in taupe. They have another one. This is a brow butter pomade kit in taupe. And then we have some more Hey Honey products. There's one coming in the Ultimate and the regular glam bag. This is the Trick and Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer in light to medium. Somebody said that this concealer was really good, so if you are getting it, you might be very surprised that it is really good. But let me know down below if you've tried it and you like it. I did see that somebody did like it. And then there's another one that is coming in the shade Deep, so for some darker skin tones, which is very nice. And this is from Yensa. This is a Super 8 lip oil in Pink Shine. I did try 2 different things from this brand. I did not like it, and I don't really like lip oils. But if you guys do, you guys might enjoy. It's a very pretty pink color. So yeah. And now we're going to talk about some Il Makiage products, which makes me excited because I love their mascara. It's a very nice, like, luxury brand. Well, not really luxury. It's kind of affordable, but, like, it feels luxury. So this is the Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper in Truffles. And then we have the Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper in Espresso. And then Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper in Latte. So that I think is really exciting to have, and I think if you guys got it in a box, you guys will be really excited. Plus, if I had the Plus, I would be really excited to try one of these because I've been wanting to have a brow gel, but you know, I don't even really know how to use it. I do have a brow gel. I have one from ABH, and I need to use it because I want to play with it because my brows go wonky funky like they're in a disco party, and they just like to move around. So anyways, and then the last product is another male beauty product, MLM. I am so anti-MLM. I don't know why they even allowed this. This is the Essentials Brush Kit. I would have to say, I mean, you can't really go wrong with brushes, so I'm going to assume these are probably going to be nice brushes. But again, MLM company, I'm anti-MLM. I don't agree with it being in the box, but if you got it, because it's coming in the box, I'm sure you'll love it because it's just average brushes. So no harm, no hate there. So that is everything that you could possibly receive in your Plus box. And yeah, if there's any products down below that you are really interested in getting in your box that you hope you're going to get in your box, let me know in the comments down below. Have you checked out the spoilers that are actually coming in your box? And let me know what products are coming in your box. I think I just said box like 10 times and my jaw's popping. I hate having TMJ. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! And then here we have, oh, this isn't the Plus items, is it?